Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. I am Sanjay Chandra Jha, your computer teacher. I am going to teach you chapter 3 using Windows. Let's start the chapter. Dear students, in this video we will learn about first operating system, second Windows, third versions of Windows, fourth starting Windows, fifth components of Windows, sixth parts of a window, seventh shutting down a computer, and eighth recall. Dear students, let us learn about an operating system. Tell me, children, who takes care of all the household jobs at your home? Yes, you have guessed it right. Your parent looks after all the household work in such a manner that you don't have to worry about them. This is because they run the house with the system. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. An operating system is a master program that controls the functions of the computer. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer. The full form of OS is operating system. Windows, Linux, Unix, DOS, etc. are the examples of OS. Dear students, now we move to the next topic, Windows. What do you understand by the Windows? Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company. Windows is the commonly used operating system today. Windows is a user-friendly operating system which allows the user to install programs and software on computer systems. Here, we will learn how to use MS Windows 7 on our computer. William H. Gates, popularly known as Bill Gates, is the founder of Microsoft Inc. USA, who has introduced Windows. Now we move to next topic, versions of Windows. Today we have many versions of Windows like Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Now we move to the next topic, that is starting Windows. Dear students, here you will learn about how to work with Windows on your computer. For working with Windows on your computer, you have to do the following steps. Step 1. Switch on the computer. Step 2. After a few moments, the screen of starting Windows on the computer's screen appears as shown in the picture. Dear students, can you tell me what is booting? Yes, you can. When you switch on a computer, all its parts, keyboards, mouse, monitor, etc. are automatically checked and you hear a beep sound. Then the operating system is loaded onto the computer's memory from its hard disk. This process is called booting. The process of loading the operating system in the computer's memory from its hard disk is known as booting. Dear students, now we move to our next topic, components of Windows. Following are the various components of Windows. First, desktop. Second, taskbar. Third, start button. Fourth, quick launch icon. Fifth, system tray. Sixth, icons. 7, computer icon. 8th, my network place icon. 9th, recycle bin icon. Desktop. The desktop is the main screen you see after you log on to your computer. The desktop is the first screen upon starting Windows. Here you get computer icon, Google Chrome icon, start button, recycle bin, and items of the taskbar like day and time, volume control, etc. Picture of the desktop is shown in the slide. Steps to change the appearance of the desktop background. Step 1. Right click on the blank space on the desktop. A list of options in the shortcut menu is displayed. Step 2. Select the personalize option. Step 3. The personalization dialog box is displayed. Step 4. Click on the desktop background option. A new window with many images is displayed. Step 5. Select the desired background from the list. Step 6. A preview of the selected background now appears on the screen. Step 7. After selecting the background, click on the Save Changes button and close the dialog box. In this way, you can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. The next component of Windows, that is taskbar. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the computer screen. The taskbar has a start button on the extreme left side. The taskbar allows to access the programs that are currently running and also allows the user to switch between them. Dear students, now we move to the next component's start button. What is that round Windows icon on the left side of the taskbar? Oh, that's the start button. Start button is round Windows icon on the left side of the taskbar. Start button gives you a list of the software programs and documents on the computer. Start button gives you quick access to documents. The name itself suggests you that most of your work on the computer begins with start button. When you click on the start button, it opens a menu or a list. This is called start menu. Now we move to the next component of Windows, that is quick launch icons. Quick launch icon is a section of the Windows taskbar. The quick launch area is located next to the start button. It enables a user to quickly launch or open the programs with a single click without having to locate them using start menu. Next component of Windows, that is system tray. System tray icon is present on the right side of the taskbar. It keeps the status of programs running on the computer at any given time. It also includes the computer clock. Move to the next component of Windows, that is icons. Icons are the small pictures on the desktop. Icons represents a program or software, a file or a folder. You can see some icons on all desktop. These are computer, recycle bin, network, and control panel. You can open any one of them by double clicking its icon. Computer icon. Computer icon is an icon that displays the contents loaded in the computer. You can open computer icon on the desktop by double clicking its icon. Move to the next components of Windows, that is network place icon. Network place icon is an icon that displays the information about the computer connected to your computer. You can open network place icon on the desktop by double clicking its icon. Move to the next components of Windows, that is recycle bin icon. Recycle bin icon is an icon that holds your deleted or unwanted files in the computer. You can open recycle bin icon by double clicking its icon. So, students, when you delete a file or a folder, it does not actually get erased. This deleted file remains in the recycle bin unless you empty the bin. You can recover your files or folders if they are deleted by mistake. Now our next topic is window and parts of a window. So what is window? A window is a rectangular unit that helps the user to open every software programs in that window. The picture of window is shown in the slide. A window is a rectangular unit that helps the user to open every software programs in that window. Basic parts of a window. First, title bar. Second, menu bar. Third, scroll bar. Fourth, horizontal scroll bar. Fifth, vertical scroll bar. Sixth, status bar. Now we learn about the title bar. The blue bar at the top of a window is called the title bar. It shows the name of the document and the software programs. It has three important buttons. These are: first, minimize button; second, restore or maximize button; third, close button. First, minimize button. Clicking on minimize button to shrinks the window and places it on the taskbar while leaving the programs running. In restore maximize button, we just click on the maximize button to enlarge a window to cover the entire desktop. After a window is maximized, the maximize button changes to the restore button. Close button. Click on the close button to close the window. Now second basic parts of a window is menu bar. Menu bar is present just below the title bar. It displays the menu names. These can be clicked to open different options available to work on the contents of the window. Third basic part of a window is scroll bar. Scroll bar is used to scroll the contents of the window to see information that is currently out of view. Fourth basic part of a window is horizontal scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll to the left and the right direction of the screen. It appears on the bottom of display. Fifth basic part of window is vertical scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar is used to scroll in upward and downward direction of the screen. It appears on the right of display. Sixth basic part of window is status bar. The status bar is a bar that lies at the bottom of the window. It gives us helpful information about the task or the tool being used. Move to the next topic, that is shutting down a computer. After you have finished your work on the computer, you should have to shut down the computer in correct manner. For that, you should have to know the steps to shut down your computer. Steps to shut down a computer is as given below. Step 1, click on the start button. Step 2, press the small arrow button on the right side of the box that gives various options. Step 3, The options that appear are switch user, log off, lock, restart, sleep, and hibernate. Step 4. To turn the computer off, press the shutdown button. Step 5. A box appears asking if you want to shut down. Click on it. Dear students, let's recall the chapter. Booting. The process of loading the operating system in the computer's memory from its hard disk is known as booting. Desktop. Desktop is the first screen you see after you turn on the computer. Dialog box. Dialog box is a small window that asks the user for some information. Horizontal scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar helps us to scroll to the left and right direction. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop used for opening applications. Menu bar. Menu bar displays the menu names. Computer icons. Computer icons displays the contents loaded in the computer. Quick launch icons. Quick launch icons allows the user to open the software or programs with a single click. Recycle bin. Recycle bin folder keeps deleted or unwanted files or folders in the computer. Start menu. It lists the programs and documents on the computer. Status bar. Status bar gives information about the task or the tool being used. System tray. System tray gives the status of programs running on the computer. Taskbar. Taskbar is the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. Title bar. Title bar shows the names of the document and the software programs in use. Vertical scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar helps you to scroll in upward and downward direction. At the end of video, we have learned about first, operating system, second, Windows, third, versions of Windows, fourth, starting Windows, fifth, components of Windows, sixth, part of a window, seventh, shutting down a computer, eighth, recall. Dear students, thank you for watching video. Stay at home, be safe. Bye.